Hello crypto friends, welcome back into another video. It's jacobcrypobury. I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to explore 3 different crypto projects that have the potential to make a 10x in 2022 in the crypto winter, or at least by the next crypto bull run. Some of these projects you've probably seen on the channel already, and they're not the top 20, they're not top 30, top 40, top 50. I'm talking about low market cap gems that are going to hit the market soon, that have a real big potential to explode, as they have not yet hit the major tier 1 to 3 centralized exchanges or decentralized exchanges. So I am seeing massive scope, massive long-term growth potential for these projects. So we're going to get right on with it. We've got a crypto games and giveaways, we've got a meme coin project, and the other is a play to earn sports-based NFT fantasy game. So if you like a bit of this and it sounds good, stick to the end of the video, because you know, we could just look at coins like BNB or Cardano or Solana, and we know probably long-term they will do well, but we can't guarantee that they'll do anything more than a 10x. So that's why we're looking at these high risk, high reward opportunities for the more lucrative investor that wants to really capitalize more crypto, and therefore you can exchange into those blue chip projects, stack more Ethereum or Bitcoin. At least that's my strategy here. Of course, none of this is financial advice, it's just my opinion, but you know, I think with these low market cap gems, it's good to allocate maybe 5% of your total working capital into these projects, because you can still see a solid 100x. So here we're going to go. This is number 1 for me. It's a play to earn fantasy sport based game known as Battle Infinity. This is on the Binance Smart Chain, so you get the advantage of really low gas fees, and it's in pre-sale. It's been in pre-sale. The total pre-sale time is 90 days. I think we're about, I don't know how far in we are. We're 23 days in, and already look at this. Look how much money's already been raised. 10,315 BNB. Now, if I'm wrong, I might be incorrect here, but correct me if I am. $305 worth BNB. So right now, we've already raised $3 million in just 20 odd days, and that's 62.52% of the hard cap. And their goal here, you can see, is 16,500 BNB. So this, of course, reflects huge levels of excitement and anticipation around the project. Of course, as well, the metaverse, Web3, NFTs is a huge market trend right now, and long term, it's just going to keep growing with the rest of the blockchain environment. Really like how it looks. It's really nice and colorful, vibrant. You can see they've got the Battle Swap, which is a decentralized exchange platform. There's a battle market for NFTs. I know lots of you guys love NFTs on this channel. We've got battle games as well, so there's proper gameplay. Players can buy and sell their gaming assets and characters in the IBAT battle market, Battle Arena 2, battle staking, so there's opportunity to capitalize more IBAT tokens depending on what liquidity pool or staking pool you go for, and depending on the lock-in period. And we also have the IBAT Premier League. So I think this looks really, really cool. 10 billion total supply, which is the same as Polygon Matic, and we can see 28% of this goes into the pre-sale, and here is the remainder of the distribution. So this is one project I'm certainly bullish on, and full disclosure, I do actually hold about $500 worth of this project, so you can call me a professional shiller, or you know, whatever you want, but I am just looking at the projects I believe have great long-term value. So you can see what's also good about this is actually it's not just for the whales or people with lots of money. You can simply buy just 0.1 BNB worth, so if you just wanted to put maybe $50 to $100 there, it's absolutely fine. So this definitely goes on my buy list, and if you want to buy some of this too, I will leave this down in the links for you to do some of your own research, and you know, just have a look through the white paper and make the decision for yourself, because I'm not here to make the choice for you, but I do want to provide the information and make you aware of these opportunities, because of course it's risky, right guys, but the upside potential is massive. So here's the contract address for IBAT. All you have to do is paste that into your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and you can basically convert your BNB straight into IBAT. Super easy. You can grab that really easy in 5 minutes. So check that one out. They're also doing a $3,000 giveaway. They've got 37.3k entries already, only 10 days up, but it does give you a chance to win some IBAT tokens, just for doing very simple social things. Now, a little case study on IBAT and you know, where we are, where it could potentially go. Well, we know IBAT has 10 billion total supply, 28% goes to the pre-sale. That means 2.8 billion tokens. BNB price at the moment is $304, and we know that one BNB will get you 166,666 tokens. So what you do is you get the BNB price, $304, divide that by 166,666, which gives you a unit price of 0.0018 per IBAT token, a market capital of $5 million, and a fully diluted market capital of $18 million. So if we were to look at what could potentially happen, what the odds of hitting 1 cent, for instance, well, we'd need to see, assuming the supply is the same, we'd need to see a $50.4 million market cap. That will give you a 10x, and for a 100x opportunity here, if we want to hit the 10 cents level and beyond, we're going to be looking at a $500 million market capital. Now, we are in a crypto winter still. There's lots of macroeconomical factors suppressing a bull market. So in my opinion, I think, if this project does launch at $5 million, we're probably likely to see a 5x up to about $25 million, maybe 50 at best. So that's why I think it's still a pragmatic target, guys, to see a 5 to 10x. So you got to be quick on this one because it's time sensitive, and I do think this is going to be one that's going to do really well. So my $500, if I see that go to like $2,500, that's probably where I'm going to be looking at scraping some profits, or maybe I'll do a partial on it, which means just taking my initial investment and then leaving the rest as running profits to remove the risk there. So that's my little sort of speculation here, my dubious speculation for IBAT over here. So what's the next one, guys? It's going to be Lucky Block Token, the #1 NFT competitions and rewards platform. You've probably seen this one on the channel quite a lot. I am very, very bullish. It rewards the holders. It's also got play to earn elements, loads of competitions. You can see you can win a $1 million house. You can win $1 million in Bitcoin as well. It's an actual project that has a team behind it, working behind it, experts in marketing, PR, and social strategy. So they've definitely got the cash reserves to keep this project upgrading the protocol and everything else in the background, providing more value to the community, giving incentive for not only the holders to buy more, but also new investors to get on board. Lucky Block at the moment has a $36 million market capital. We can see we're trading at $0.000087 right here. And over the last few weeks, we have seen some massive pumps because they actually just launched their token on the MEXC exchange as well as the LBank exchange. So they've got the V2 ERC20 token out at the moment, which of course has been a massive catalyst on the price. And we can see, just looking here for Lucky Block, I mean, already in the crypto winter, there was a 439% increase, which is a 4.39x. And we're talking about these projects being able to do 5 to 10x. Well, we can see already this crypto winter that Lucky Block has done a 4.39x. We can also see another huge catalyst on the price was here when we had a massive crypto giveaway. I think it was $1 million or something crazy like that, but we saw a 3.24x already. So already Lucky Block has presented holders with massive potential opportunity for returns in this crypto bear market. We've had 2 already. Who's to say there won't be another, right? I mean, we've got to keep looking forward over here. If we do get that big pump to the upside, maybe we can actually retarget the 0.01 level over here, which would be pretty sick. That would bring us to 0.01, and that would be a 286% increase. And I do possibly think it can happen. The rumors go that Lucky Block is going to launch on more centralized exchanges, tier 1s, maybe things like Ucoin, Kraken, Binance. Who knows what Lucky Block has in store for holders in the future. All I know is I feel extremely bullish on it, and I do have a position in this project as well. And I also want to just talk about some of the sensitivity around the V1 and the V2 as well, because we have the V1 token where you obviously buy on decentralized exchanges with 12% sales tax, and they just recently launched the V2 on those centralized exchanges, which obviously have 0% sales tax. So this is actually from the Telegram group. This is internal information, which is now fully external, so the public are already fully aware, but it's just to appease some people that kind of left their tokens in the V1, even though they were warned that they could actually move the assets into V2. So I'm just going to read this out for you guys. The reason for developing a new token on Ethereum LBlock V2 is that it is supported across all exchanges, including Binance. Tier 1 exchanges typically do not support sales tax, which is why we also required a new token with 0% tax. During the process of launching Lucky Block V2 ERC, it was announced we would first swap out V1 tokens on LBank, following by a listing on the MEXC on August 1. That already happened. We saw a massive pump. Great, people are happy, but some are obviously a bit upset because they left their holdings in V1. They feel like they missed out. Well, what I think is going to happen once the ERC and BNB bridge does happen here for Lucky Block, we'll see an equilibrium between the V1 and the V2 prices. So who knows what could happen. I think it's still definitely worth holding on V1 anyway. But if you're new to the project, or if you just want to add to your position, it's certainly worth buying on the centralized exchanges just to avoid the tax. So it was repeatedly made clear on social channels and articles in online publications that the swap would take place and users would receive 0.94 V tokens for each V1 token they held. All users had the opportunity to move tokens to LBank to receive the new V2 token. Many users preferred to hold on to existing V1 token. In order to now migrate from V1 to V2, users will need to use a BEP to ERC bridge, which has been under development for several months. The bridge is now in detailed penetration testing with Certic, which is Binance's preferred partner for smart contract audits. Now, this is why it's important. This is why it can't be rushed, guys. Because the long-term success of Lucky Block relies on 100% security of the bridge, which is why it's not yet available to users whilst we await the detailed report from Certic. So Lucky Block are doing it for your benefit. There's no shadiness behind this. It's just simply to ensure that it's 100% maximized before it launches for your own benefit. In the meantime, the V2 token is gaining significant traction on LBank. This has already led to several of the largest exchanges globally to begin accessing LBlock's suitability for immediate listing. Although we cannot disclose the names at the moment, be assured they are some of the biggest names that you will be well aware of. So this is bullish, guys. This is super bullish. They are basically saying to you, there are more centralized exchange listings on the way this year, which is not only super exciting, but it means we're going to get more organic volume come through. People are going to be super bullish. It's going to help hold the floor price nice and high. So if you get in early enough, it's good. If you look at a lot of altcoins at the moment, they've already pre-exhausted. They already hit the euphoric tops, already overextended, and they're already launched on many major exchanges. Lucky Block is yet to do that. It's yet to see its ceiling price still, it's yet to find its floor price, and it's still yet to find a medium price. So it's vitally important that V2 has as much trading volume and price increase as possible in order to guarantee these listings and give all V1 holders huge upside value when the bridge is released. So it's for the V1 benefit, it's for the V2 benefit, it's for everyone's benefit, guys. So let's kind of just take it easy and understand why this has happened together. I'm still super bullish, in fact more bullish than ever with this news. What else is going on? Well, meme coins. Meme coins have been oddly behaving. They've been surging, they've been going crazy, doing their own thing. They don't care about the downtrend right now because some of these meme coins have been going crazy the last few days. We can see Doji Inu, we've got 20% up, Doggy 15% up, we got Woof Woof, we got Cum Rockets over here 10%. We've got Doge Bonk up 15. So it's pretty crazy. And there is a new furry friend in town, folks. This is known as Tamadoge, the play to earn Dogecoin. So it's super immersive. It's going to have elements of the metaverse, virtual reality as well. We can see it is in pre-sale, so it's another one that hasn't hit those exchanges yet, which is why I'm super bullish. 100% secure, rug pull proof, and I'm super excited. Tamadoge is the newest entry into the Doge ecosystem, and it's looking pretty nice already. They've got Tamadoge Pets, where you can nurture your pet, which is also an NFT. You can upgrade the attributes and the cosmetic side of things depending on how you look after your pet. The better you look after it, the better rewards you get. You climb up the leaderboard. You got the Tamaverse, you got the Tamadoge token, or Tama, which is the native token. And there's a roadmap here, which is really bullish. There will be gameplay released for this soon. I'm not quite sure when, but very bullish on this one as well. So make sure you read the white paper, check it out, do your own research and all those things. And yeah, have a little look at it. We can see 27 days until 25% increase. This is on pre-sale until I believe the 2nd of September 2022. We can see already 140,000 USDT raised. So it's an ERC20 token. It does mean that you can buy it with either Ethereum, USDT, or what's the other one? Fiat currencies as well. Again, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, all great to use. I don't currently hold this project, but I probably will consider it once I do a bit more research myself, find out a bit more about the social backgrounds and what the upcoming plans are for the project too. So yeah, full disclosure there, I'm thinking of investing on all three. I've got IBAT, I've got some Lucky as well, And these are, in my opinion, the next 10 to 100x tokens, and that's why I want to share with you guys. Make sure you check out all my social profiles down below. Have a look at the links to all 3 of these different sites. Kind of decide which ones you think are good. Maybe like all 3, maybe just like one of them, but I thought I'd highlight them to you anyway. What's going on with Bitcoin and the logarithmic regression here? We can see we're still in the blue zone, which indicates basically we're still in a fire sale, meaning we're undervalued. It's accumulation season. Good time to buy Bitcoin. Last time it was, COVID-19 2020 crash. Over here, we're in the blue zone. Bam, we go up. Nice. Then over here as well, following 2018, blue zone, and then we go back up. Things are looking good. Fear and greed index, we're popping out the extreme fear zone, sitting at 30. So yeah, long term, extremely bullish on the blockchain environment. We've got 3 awesome projects right here, which I hope you like the sound of. Let me know in the comments what you think. Leave suggestions. Make sure you smash that subscribe button as well to enter my $200 giveaway. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.